Hold me up to the light, tell me if the sun comes shining through. And I got this heaviness in my chest since your love came breaking through. And I wanna know where it's coming from, where this is coming from, where this is coming from. And I wanna know what you're running from, what are you running from? Who am I? Who am I? Without you, without you. Who am I? Who am I? Without you, without you. Lay my dreams down at your feet, baby, watch out where you step. And there's no need for us knowing all the answers, yeah. And I wanna know what you're running from, what are you running from, what are you running from? And I wanna know where it's coming from, where this is coming from. Who am I? Who am I? Without you, without you. Who am I? Who am I? Without you, without you. You're back for a minute and you're gone, and I never know how close I came. You're back for a minute and you're gone, and I never know how close. You're back for a minute and you're gone, and I'll never know how. Who am I? Who am I? Without you, without you. Who am I? Who am I? Without you, without you. Who am I? Who am I? Without you, without you. Who am I?
Alright, and action.
White flecks all over the place now, so I don't know what the hell that is. The iron's probably crumbling.
Oh, I love us. I don't like it here.
What's coming out of it?
That's what she said. It's hot and I want to go home and screw my career, you know? Who needs one? Zoe, you son of a bitch. That is where Zoe and her pals played some Ultimate Frisbee with some juveniles. And that is where she proved that girls can play basketball too.
Are you doing a vlog?
Yeah, one of my artsy ones. Why you want to be in it?
It's always
I'm sorry, but like I don't recall minions speaking English.